Hello, so today we'll see the exhaustiveness of switch expression with as 10 examples à la française for the French cooking. In Java, switch expression must be exhaustive. That means they must cover all possible values of the expression being a switch on. If not, the compiler won't be happy. Normally, you will need a default branch to handle all remaining cases. However, there is a tasty exception. If you switch on an enum and you've listed all possible enum constant, then Java consider it exhaustive. No need for default, it adds one implicitly. Example, with a French dish enum edition. Let's say we have a lovely enum representing some famous French dishes. For example, enum plat français, ratatouille, bouillabaisse, coq au vin. If we switch on that enum and cover all new values, there's no need for default. String accompagnement equal switch plat, case ratatouille, pain de campagne, case bouillabaisse, rouillé crouton, case coq au vin, pâte fraîche. You see, there is no default case. This is fine because the compiler knows all the plat français options and we cover them all. You see, here we have three possibility in the enum and they are all in the switch, so there is no problems. Next, the yield rule, no missing ingredients. Every case in a switch must return a value using yield, unless it's a simple error operator form. Let's see what happens when we forget the yield, like a chef who forgets the salt. For example, in this switch expression, you got string sauce equals switch, which take as argument a plat, and we have only one item of the enum, case ratatouille, which output system.out.println, légumes mijotés, but there is no yield. And then there is a default, so even if there is no the other item, it's okay. But you see, we have a block, but we have no yield operator. So it is wrong. This won't compile if you use a block, curly braces, instead of the simple arrow operator, you must use yield. Same issue if you group case, but forget to yield for all of them. For example, here, string 20 equal switch expression with as argument plat, and then you have the first case which take two items of the enum, coq au vin and bouillabaisse, and then there is an output, but in this block you miss the yield statement, so there is an error too. So default, this is a default case, so this won't compile. Next, illegal jumps, no escaping the kitchen. Inside the switch expression, you can't jump out with break, continue, or return. Java requires the switch to reserve to one single value, not an escape route. Here's a forbidden move. For example, here you have a loop label, plat loop, for plat français inside the list of menu. String dessert equals switch according to the plat as argument. You got for the case ratatouille tarte tatin, for the case coq au vin île flottante, and as default continue plat loop, and this is wrong, you know, continue, you can't do this, error, illegal jump through a switch expression. Too long didn't read, a switch expression is like a recipe, you must provide an ingredient for each case, use yield in blocks, blocks needs a yield statement, avoid jumping out mid recipe. So, thank you very much, and maybe see you in another video. Bye!